So in its most recently completed quarter, FICO reported third quarter revenues of $536 million, which is up over 20% from the same quarter last year. GAAP operating income of $182 million was up 44%, and earnings per share was up 47%. If you divide the $182 million of net income by the $536 million of revenue, you'll notice a solid net profit margin for the company in the most recently completed quarter and in recent years. And over the longer term, this is a very profitable company that generates increasing and expanding margins, primarily due to its competitive advantage and the pricing power it retains against its customers. The company also generated free cash flow of $276 million, and it used a lot of that cash flow to repurchase shares in the third quarter. The company has secured adoption from institutions representing over $313 billion in annualized mortgage originations and approximately $1.52 trillion in eligible mortgage portfolios under servicing. The company is highly integrated in the U.S. mortgage industry, and lending institutions that make decisions about giving consumers home loans use FICO's score to determine what interest rate and how much credit to offer customers. FICO's low price compared to the overall purchase decision makes it an attractive purchase for lending institutions. These companies are making decisions about hundreds of thousands of dollars and sometimes millions of dollars in loans, and they have to pay FICO a small fee every time they get a score for a customer they're thinking about making a decision for. That allows FICO to continue with consistent price increases, and given its performance in the score that it offers and the lending institutions, the reliability and the trust in FICO's score, it's given the company a strong foothold in this industry. I mentioned how strong of a competitive advantage FICO has and how lucrative their profit margins are. The trouble for investors? It's no secret to the market. Investors have discovered FICO stock long ago, and they've bid up the price of this stock. FICO is not selling at a cheap. In fact, I would argue this stock is trading at an expensive valuation. The current market price is $1,524, and the intrinsic value I calculated is $1,047. Now, FICO stock boasts a beta of 1.35, and you could argue, and I would agree with you, that this beta could be adjusted lower because it doesn't reflect the strong position the company has in the industry. Click the link below to watch the full video.